Where's the camera? Have you lost the camera again? I know it's always you. Don't blame on Arshi.
It's there.
What are you guys doing upstairs?
We've been looking for you.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel Canadian Parinde.
I'm Deepak.
I'm Ruchi and we have a little one, Arsha. By the way, where is she? Arsha, buckle up kar lo. Did it! Guys, today we are in City of Falls. Yes, you got it right. We are in Hamilton. So guys, our first stop for today is Sunflower Farm. Now this Sunflower Farm actually cannot go noticed because we saw the big giant ducky on our way from Highway 8, and they also happen to have two small little duckies which are great as a photo drop. So quite excited. Let's take Arshia in. Hi! To get to see these sunflowers, they need to start planting in April for a short season of 2 to 3 weeks. They are in full bloom from the end of July or to the mid of the August, and that's the best time to go and actually see them. One more thing, don't forget, especially if you're coming with a toddler, don't forget to bring their props. We have got couple of things from home for Arshia to take her nice photographs that actually going into our yearly photo book or the collage over the wall. So guys, that's one thing we really recommend you guys do as a family activity this summer before the season of sunflowers go away. What's really amazing seeing here, sunflowers, they tend to follow sun. So if it's starting from east to west, slowly and slowly throughout the day, they move their direction. To get hot now, so even though it's warm and sunny, I'll make sure Arshia is in full clothes because there are lots of bees over here, so covering her completely is a better option. We are now heading out to explore Hamilton neighborhoods on a drive. Hamilton is one of the oldest cities in Ontario. The connectivity to the highway in and around the city is so great. Now Hamilton is only like 1 hour away from Toronto and 40 minutes from Kitchener-Waterloo. Come again another day, baby Arshia wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So guys, we just have reached the falls and we didn't even step out and it started pouring so heavy. We are stuck in our car enjoying some time and singing a rain rain. Arsha, do you want to sing rain rain?
Arshi, ये तो रेन आ गई. रेन कैसे आ गई?
रेन कैसे आ गई?
आपने तो बोला था रेन नहीं आएगी आज.
So guys, right now we are at Tiffany Fall, which is under the Tiffany Conversation area in Ancaster. Now Ancaster is one of the neighborhood in Hamilton. From the highway, we didn't find any sign for Tiffany Fall, but you know, on the Wilson Street, on our right hand side, there is a small parking area for around maximum 10 cars, and it says Tiffany Parking. So if you are coming here, look for that parking spot. Go slow on Wilson Street. Deepak would have almost missed it. The parking is $11. Yeah, it's quite expensive, but the view for today is gonna be amazing because it's just stopped raining. There is a little bit of pouring, but I'm sure we're gonna enjoy the view. leading to the fall is 5 to 10 minutes and was fairly easy for Arsha to walk on. We crossed 2 bridges with water underneath in full flow.
So guys, today we are at Mahabaleshwaram Falls.
This trail took us to the bottom of the waterfall. Now, as a family, we enjoy outdoor water activities and beachfront. And guys, I'm telling you, this place is so beautiful to hang around, sit and see this massive waterfall. Voila, it's so nice to be here. I'm so glad we didn't let the rain spoil our fun. The trail looked extra green. This river and the waterfall is amazing, and we even have a trail to ourselves, so which is a big plus.
Well, Hamilton was actually a small city until 2001 when local towns like Stony Creek and Kester, Flamborough, Dundas, they were added to the city of Hamilton, making it the third largest city in Canada. So if you're looking to buy a house in Hamilton, city offers something for every budget. Say if you are looking for a condo style apartment, Hamilton downtown is a perfect choice with old and new condos. However, if you don't mind driving 20 to 30 minutes away from the city center, then suburbs like Stony Creek, Dundas and Kester, they offer a lot of resale houses and brand new houses.
So guys, we are very hungry after all the walk we have done. So we are now into Hess Village. This is located near the downtown of Hamilton. It's a perfect location, and you know what, the street is very popular with all the restaurants and the pub having their patio open. So if you are looking for a place to hang out with your friends, with your family, but not in downtown Toronto, definitely explore this area. That's the brand. I'm gonna buy this.
Whenever you are going to any of the new cities, especially downtown area, always do a Google research of what you want to eat and what is the best restaurant. So here we are in Hamilton, Hess Village. We want it to be Mexican because we are Mexican fans. There's another one next to it. It's a pizza shop. So you can try either of these, pizza or Mexican, both with the same owner.
Okay guys, so now it's been a long day for us, and with all these activity, I'm sure more than us, Arsha has enjoyed with all the fun and is now ready to fall asleep soon. We are calling it a day and head back home now. We'll see you soon in our next adventure. Till then, you take care, and if possible, try to come and visit Hamilton for a perfect family outing. You take care. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.